Hi guys, my name is Immy and today I'm going to teach you guys the correct method for using sheet masks, applying sheet masks, finding the right sheet masks for your skin and using them effectively. So up before I started traveling, I actually hated sheet masks and I found them to be really lame and ineffective. The problem was that I wasn't actually using them correctly, and these are the tips and tricks I've learned over the years of how to maximize the benefits of your sheet mask. So I keep all my sheet masks in a little pouch like this, and I use them according to how my skin is feeling. If it feels dry, I use something that has glycerin or aloe vera, whereas if it was feeling oily or combination, I try to use something with niacinamide or something that is more mattifying. So the first thing you want to do is use something according to your skin type. So before you actually apply your sheet mask, you want to make sure that your skin is ready, and the best way to get it ready is either to cleanse or exfoliate. If you want to use a physical exfoliant, I recommend something like this, which will really mildly take off the dead skin. And once the dead skin is off, your skin is ready for the sheet mask. So before I actually apply the mask that I'm using, I leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And when I do apply the mask on my skin, it gives it such a cooling and tightening effect. So when I open the sheet mask, I like to get the essence or serum and I like to massage it onto my skin. This kind of preps my skin for the actual mask that I'm about to apply. I leave the mask on my skin for about 30 minutes, and before I take it off, I like to use a massage tool to massage my face as well. This makes sure that my skin is absorbing every little bit of nutrient that I am giving it. So after I take the sheet mask off, I get the leftover serum or all the essence from the packet and I massage it onto my neck and my hands. Another thing you want to do is get the actual sheet mask off your face and apply it to your neck like this, and leave it on there for as long as you can. This will give your neck all the serum and all the effects that it's given your face, and it will make sure that the product is applied evenly on your hands, on your face, and on your neck. As always, when you are taking your face mask off, you want to moisturize, even if it is a super moisturizing face mask. I feel like that my skin just drinks up the serum, so try to use a good moisturizer and an eye cream. To use anything with gold in it, and I feel like that is really good at plumping up my skin and giving it the radiance that it needs. I'm gonna also leave in the description box the type of mask that you should be using according to your skin type, so do check out the description and do let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.